Hey fam, Chichi here. Welcome back. Today I have a very quick unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I saw this item and I was like, add to cart. Mama needs that in her life. I need it in my collection because at this point, yes, it's definitely a collection. But if you are new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Let's get into it. Judging from the size of this box, obviously it is a SLG, and I've waited a very long time to get this. I placed this order August 8th and I got it August 26th. Yeah, so I was like, I know y'all said a 2-week delay on the website, but it felt like forever. This is how the shipment box looks if you're unfamiliar. Just throw that to the side. Boom, here we go. Oh. Why you stuck, girl? Why you stuck? Maybe because I'm gripping it too tough. This is how everything comes if you order online. You know, your return vouchers, thank you card, all that stuff. I did write myself a note, I think. So the note to myself says, it's actually easy being green. So hint, hint on what this may be. But yeah, we haven't done our actual proper unboxing in a very long time. So let's do one, you know? I'm gonna actually undo the ribbon. Crazy gal. Here we go. Something very small, obviously. Oh, you wanted to do part 2. Okay. Guys. Yes! Y'all, if you already been following me, you should know my obsession with green right now is something epic. So when I first saw this on Instagram, one of the pages I follow, I was like, do I really need this? Because, you know, I do have a lot of coin card holders. Oh, I didn't even say what it is. Girl, it's a coin card holder, okay? I wasn't sure if I actually wanted it, but once I actually saw it online and it was add to cart, I was like, girl, just buy it. And if you don't want it, you can always sell it. Even though I've never sold, no, I sold one luxury item before, but I know I can always sell this because this is a pretty good high-end demand type of piece. The coin card holder is nothing new on my channel. I absolutely love it. It's honestly become my favorite wallet at this point because I don't carry it as much as I used to. So there's no need for me to carry a huge wallet anymore. But if this is your first time looking at a coin card holder, you have one slip pocket in the front. And then in the back, you have 3 standard card holders, but you also have this 4th additional card holder or pocket, however you want to use it. And then you have a zipper we're going to get into a little later. And then inside you have your textured leather with the Louis Vuitton Paris stamped in there. Mine is made in Italy. Now, the reason why I really wanted this is this was actually, I guess, the ode to Virgil. And Virgil, if you see a lot of his pieces, they do have green. He has like green and orange, I would say, are the 2 colors that he used a lot. And this looks like something he would have, you know, designed, because we also have this matte black zipper. Black glazing, all black everything. But yeah, I saw the zipper pull and this was completely different from the regular pulls that you see on like the key pouches and actually the standard ones of these. And I was just like, yeah, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. My biggest concern about this is the smooth leather. I honestly wish that they would have used the same textured leather that's on the inside of this on the outside, because I'm someone who actually uses their items, especially a SLG. So I'm a little nervous, and normally I'm not nervous to use something, but how smooth this is, I already know it's going to get a little bit beat up, but I love the color more than my concern for the scratches. I mean, it's a SLG, guys. Like, use your things. This is what you're supposed to use them for. I am a huge fan of the coin card holder, and I just had to have it. I didn't even realize on the website this was technically a 02 Virgil, and I was just like, oh, that's cute. And I don't have any Virgil pieces from Louis Vuitton, with the exception of like my coffee table books. That's the only Virgil items that I have. So even though Virgil didn't necessarily design this, to me, the color palette is very Virgil-esque. And so I'm very happy that I've added this to my collection, because yeah, she's dope. She's dope. I really love this. And plus the green, you know what? Let me just go get her. Okay, so this is slightly, like a shade brighter than my Jacquemus bag, but look how fly I'ma look. Let me go pay. I'm not a matchy kind of girl, but I love the energy. I love the spirit. I love it. But yeah, this is my quick unboxing of my coin card holder. I freaking love it. Happy that I have it. And it's kind of my little piece adjacent to Virgil Abloh. So if you do want to see a review of my coin card holder, I'm going to leave the video up top and in the description box, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.